Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to fix a Steam game that won't launch. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. If a Steam game won't launch, it can be frustrating, but there are several troubleshooting steps you can take to fix the issue. Here's what you can try. First method. Sometimes simply restarting the Steam client can resolve minor issues. Close the Steam completely and then reopen it to see if the game launches. Another method, a simple restart on your computer, can also help in resolving various software issues, including problems with launching Steam games. Next method, Steam has a built-in feature to verify the integrity of game files. Right-click on the game in your Steam library, then choose Properties, go to the Installed Files tab, and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will check for and repair any corrupted or missing game files. Another method, outdated or corrupted graphics drivers can cause issues with launching games. Make sure your graphics drivers are up to date by visiting the website and downloading the latest version. Another method, right-click on the Steam shortcut or executable file and choose Run as Administrator. This can sometimes resolve permissions-related issues that prevent games from launching. Next method, right-click on the game shortcut or executable file, choose Properties, then go to Compatibility tab and make sure that no compatibility modes are enabled. Another method, overlay programs like Discord cause conflicts with Steam games. Try disabling these overlay programs and launching the game again. Another method, make sure that your Windows operating system is up to date. Steam games may require certain Windows updates to run properly. Lastly, visit the game's Steam community forums or the official support website for the game to see if there are any unknown issues or specific troubleshooting steps recommended by the developers. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and fix most issues preventing a Steam game from launching. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.